Parents and children lined up at 2134 Barnes Avenue to receive school supplies from Assemblyman John Zaccaro Jr., who partnered with Pelham Parkway Neighborhood Association for a community back-to-school event.
Right now, we're dealing with a tough economic time, and as parents get ready to send their kids back to school, we want to provide some relief. And so today, we're giving out backpacks, we're giving out school supplies, we're giving out community resources, just to help make this time a little bit easier for families.
A good student is passionate who has a love for learning. They are curious and constantly asking questions, and by having perseverance, it goes a long way. President of PPNA, Stephen Glosser, tells us about the partnership and why it's important for students to receive these supplies.
We think it's important to give all these students and the kids in the community the correct tools they need to have a successful school year. There's no reason why they're not going to have a good school year and a very successful one.
Councilwoman Marjorie Velasquez was also in attendance, and she wanted to point out the reason for these types of events.
It gets them motivated, right? They need to know that the community is behind them and supporting them, right? And that we are invested in them and their futures. And like I always say, they're our shining stars, right? And that they need to know that they shine bright. The greatest moment to see so many folks just gather to give back to our community in every single way possible. I mean, we had the Girl Scouts here, and we had several electeds literally contribute and show up here. And that's the spirit of community. It's just giving back and making sure our kids have a great start to the new year.
To learn more about PPNA's upcoming events, you can visit their Facebook at www.facebook.com/groups/Pelham Parkway NA. Reporting for BronxNet, Shanel Thompson.